Go to my website. You will find a direct link below the video. Download the template to your hard drive. Click the link, the download will start. Save the file to your local hard drive. Go to the folder where the file is saved. Extract the file. Open the Stair template file. Plan your stair first. Draw temporary lines representing 11-inch step depth. One and a half inch stringer. One and a half inch separation. 1 1/4 inch handrail. "36-inch stair clear width. Mark the center line. Mirror stringer and handrail spacers. Make a group. Draw rectangulars. Mirror rectangular. Delete temporary lines. Draw temporary line recessed back 1 1/2 inches. Draw 7-inch vertical line representing razor on the inside of the stringer. Select and change line color. Make a group. Make as many copies of the step as you need. Select everything and make a group. Initiate Straight Stair tool. Select Start and End Point. Select points on the inside of the stringer. Go to Library. Select ADA compliant stair. Go to Distances plus Stringer. Change the width to 41.5 inches. Close the dialog box. Move temporary lines ½ inch. Change the visual properties of the view. Make a 1.5 inch line. Place UCS at the end of the line. Rotate UCS along x-axis.
The X, Y plane shall be perpendicular to stringers.
Use Shorten at UCS tool to trim both stringers. Cut off both stringers at the bottom. Place UCS at the bottom.
X, Y plane should be oriented horizontally.
Use Shorten at UCS tool to trim both stringers. Cut off the bottom part of the first step.
X, Y plane should be oriented parallel to stringers.
Use 2-point contour cut. Select 2 points and adjust the boundary next using blue grips. Remove bottom angles.
Rotate X, Y plane.
Use 2 points tool again. The bottom part of the stairs is ready. Now we take care of the top part. Move UCS. Rotate UCS. Use Shorten HUCS tool. Use 2-point contour tool. Remove top 2 support angles.
X, Y plane should be oriented perpendicular to stringers.
Use 2 points contour tool again.
Place X, Y plane at the top of the stairs oriented horizontally.
Use Shorten HUCS tool. Check the section visually for errors. Your ADS stair is ready. Hide elements if you wish. Extra tip, moving the stairs into a new position. In visual mode other than wireframe, it is not possible to move your stairs. To move your stair, change the visual style to wireframe first. In wireframe mode you can move your stairs without any problems. Your stair status, completed. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe.